We're just waiting here at the gas station here for Roger and Lawrie. We're going to fill up before heading over to Bethels Beach where there's a walk, and we're going to meet up with John and some of the other guys. So, but the gas station's closed. It should have been open at 6:30. Things can get a bit feral sometimes on the motorway the moment that you get onto this western arm of the motorway. Suddenly you have cars going from the feeder lane straight across into the fast lane and in one motion, getting up into what's known as the Waitakere ranges. Now the ranges aren't huge. I don't know what the elevation is. They probably don't get more than about 500 metres. Some nice putting about for your cafe racer. I'm going to do a right to Bethels Beach here. What do you reckon?
Oh, how do they know we're not locals?
It's pretty obvious probably, isn't it? I feel at this point it would probably be a bit rude.
It is quite clear, isn't it?
Duck back to where we've got some cell reception. There is another way into Bethels Beach via the Waitakere Township. Just a couple of k's out from Bethels Beach now, I think. Some magnificent stands of manuka on the side of the road. Yeah, so Bethels Beach is one of the west coast beaches. It's going to have dark iron sands, renowned for great surf. Not the safest beaches to swim at. Normally quite a strong patrol for surf lifesaving, and unfortunately its fair share of drownings. I haven't spotted his car.
I had to drive 15 miles back that way to get reception to tell you that I was here.
It was.
Oh, did you do that?
Yeah.
Oh, you're joking.
Yeah.
It was 2 coffees and a loose top, right? Yeah.
Yeah, we did have a full fry up on the way.
I was going to say, I stopped at Macca's and got breakfast. Thought you'd be well ahead of me.
Well, it's another classic example of how shit GPSs can be, isn't it?
Might be Apple Maps, mate.
No,
Yeah.
no, it's using the
Yeah, an ID 10.
Yeah.
using the Garmin maps, mate.
What? What's an ID?
Just write it down when you get home.
ID 10T.
IDOIT.
Are you wearing flip-flops? Very nice.
Yeah.
Look at that view.
Oh yeah, look. We're north of Pier, aren't we?
Yeah, we are. Yep. Because yeah. Mate.
See if she fires up. A little
Well,
bit.
you're gonna do it twice. Jeez, mate.
You reckon
Yeah.
saves the...
Oh, always fire. Listen to that. That's why they called a thumper.
Tom, who's got the drink going?
What? Yeah. Look, I tell you what, it's going to be half flat white and half little hot chocolate. Oh, you guys thought you were having an amazing.
Pizza left if somebody wants it.
What's that, mate? Oh, bloody beautiful.
Yeah, mate. No, well, figure it out another day.
Maybe you're supposed to put it through the spokes of the wheel.
Yeah. Good work.
There's a good walk over at Bethels Beach. It's about 8.2 kilometres in total. I can't remember how long it took us, maybe 3 hours there and back, and should be home by 2 o'clock in the afternoon, which is good. Always good getting out, blowing the cobwebs out, and going for a walk is great, but crikey, surprising how unfit I am.